Hi, I'm just testing out this what's it called again? 4056 TP4056. Yeah, that's it. TP4056 18650 battery. That one there, 18650 battery. It's a charger and protection. This is like a flat battery. In a very short time it's already up to 4.2 volts, just clocking there, and it's currently charging at 737 milliamps, and it's not got to the fully charged state yet, but the board is warm, but you know, I can easily hold my finger on it. So and it's got a Type-C USB charging socket there. So I'll just show you the details on the packet. So it's charging cut-off voltage 4.2. It can charge at 1 amp. It's got battery discharge protection, so you keep the thing in circuit all the time, you know, with the battery. And it's got overcurrent protection, so if what you cut the battery up, it tries to pull more than 3 amps, it shuts off. So yeah, I think it's a worthwhile investment, and I'm planning to put maybe 4 of these in a gang, actually, connect them together, so I can charge 4 of these batteries at the same time as part of a power pack. So yeah, that's about it really. Could wait till it shows fully charged, but it might be a while yet. But that little red light goes off and a little blue one next to it comes on. So anyway, that's about it then. God bless you.